Wi-Fi Ranger Sky Pro Pack LTE Edition. Work with FireTV stick. Amazon had their major sale and I had a 10% coupon. Got a Fire Stick for 10 bucks. Awesome. Why am I unboxing this? Well, we're unboxing this for here and also for the RV stick. So let's see what's inside and what I get for $10. Cut that open here without cutting myself. Real careful like. Cut away from you, right? Open this up. It's got a tab here. We're going to pull this Fire Stick. And I'm going to show you how to connect this to the RV. Wow, you really get a lot of stuff here. All right, so you get instructions and more watch stream stuff. We'll have to read that later. And we get 2 batteries. I got to see how those are. 2 AAA batteries. We get a wall wart. Like we don't have 50 of these things laying around. And I guess this is the Fire Stick. That's pretty small. So we get this. That's kind of cool. Let's see how they packaged. You know, somewhere overseas when they make this stuff, I bet you they're like, haha, we're gonna make these guys really work to unpackage this stuff. So anyway, here you go. Feels all right. Doesn't feel that high quality. I mean, okay, whatever. I'm not gonna complain. Remote, cool. Let's see what else we got here. Aha, more cables. So this plugs into here, and yes, you do need it. So that plugs into there, and in an RV, this will go into a standard 110 outlet, and that can either be powered by an inverter or your generator. And the other end gets plugged in just like that. There you go. Now your Fire Stick is up and running. And let's see what this is. There's more to this puzzle. Aha, here's the dongle for the, oh cool. So I can do HDMI. Very, very cool. So if they give you an extension, that's nice. So all this is an extension for an HDMI. You can plug that in here, and you can plug that in your TV, and you can make it longer. I don't think you need that. I think you can go straight in with this. Anyway, we're gonna get this set up here at the house and use it here. And then when we go RVing, we're gonna take this with us and use the Wi-Fi Ranger Sky Pack Pro LTE Edition.